Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and enabling Bluetooth. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 13. 1 or later and Wi-Fi is on. Next, connect and play audio through the primary headset so the audio output is active. Once done, hold the second headphones near the iPhone, keep them unlocked and ready to pair. You'll see a prompt on screen. Tap Share Audio when it appears to begin the two-headphone session. After tapping Share Audio, follow the on-screen pairing prompts. The second headset briefly appears as a separate output device. You should hear confirmation chimes on both sets. This indicates successful pairing. Make sure to adjust each listener's volume independently. Use the iPhone volume slider in Control Center or the physical controls on each headset. If you switch apps, the sharing persists, however. Keep both headsets within range to avoid audio dropouts as you continue listening. To finish, open Control Center and tap the audio output card, then deselect one headset to stop sharing, or go to Bluetooth settings and disconnect the second device. Make sure you end the session cleanly if one listener needs to leave. If audio doesn't share, restart Bluetooth or the iPhone, verify both headsets are compatible, and update iOS. These steps fix most problems. If audio still fails, repair the headsets one at a time and try the share audio flow again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.